Position. CSS Position controls how an element is placed on the web page. These values help us move elements exactly where we want, using top, right, bottom, and left. There are 5 types of positions in CSS. Number 1, static position. Number 2, absolute position. Number 3, relative position. Number 4, fixed position. Number 5, sticky position, static position. Every element on a web page is static by default. It cannot be moved using top, left, etc. It follows normal document flow. As you can see in the below example, no top or left position is applied. To demonstrate static position in VS Code, let's create a new HTML file. Position.html. Let's create new HTML file. Change the title to Position. Just create a div name box. Now, just apply properties on HTML body. Background black and height. Now apply properties to box. 100 width and height. Background red color and border. Now we are going to apply static position on the box. You can see top and right are not working on static position, and box is not moving. Top and right. Inspect the web page. You can see no position is applied to box. Position relative. An element with position relative is positioned relative to its normal position in the document flow. Setting the top, right, bottom, and left properties will cause the element to be adjusted away from its normal position. As you can see in the example, the box will from top 20 pixels and 30 pixels towards left from its original position. You can see, when position is relative and top is 30 pixels and left is 20 pixels. So the box moved 20 pixels from top and 30 pixels towards left from its original position. You can see by inspecting the web page. Same position top and left are applied. Position absolute. It is removed from normal flow. It is positioned relative to the nearest parent, having position relative. If no such parent exists, it positions relative to the whole page, as you can see in the below example. The child will move top and right 20 pixels from its parent that have relative position. You can see in the absolute position example. If there is no parent container, the body will met its container with an applied top and left. The box moved top and left from the border of body. Now let's take a container and include the box inside the parent container as child. And apply some properties like margin, minimum height, and border to make it visible. Now you can see to make the box position absolute and relative position of parent container. When applied top 40 pixel, the box moved 40 pixel down from parent container top, not from the body, and 30 pixels left. Moved the box 30 pixels from left border of container. Fixed position. The element is positioned relative to the browser window. It does not move when you scroll. Used for sticky nav bars, chat buttons, and back to top button. In the example, we have multiple H2 headings, paragraphs, and an image to apply fixed position. When fixed position is applied on image, the page was scrolling up and down, but the image was fixed on browser screen. When applied top to the image fixed from the top of the browser window. Another example of WhatsApp chat icon, which is fixed on the bottom right of the browser, as you have seen in professional websites. Sticky position. It starts as relative but becomes fixed when scrolling reaches a point like browser top. Very useful for sticky headers and table headings. We will apply sticky position on this red H2 heading having ID, sticky. When we apply top 0 and scrolled the page, the red heading scrolled with page, and when reaches the top, then becomes fixed to the top of browser. So, sticky position is both relative and fixed. So these were 5 important CSS positions we have demonstrated.